Hey there! Today, we're going to explore how to enable partial Bitcoin payments on your WooCommerce site. Let's dive right in. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Head over to Blockonomics and sign up with your email and password, or you can just sign up using your Google account. To add a wallet, go to your Blockonomics dashboard and click on Wallets. Then click on Add a Wallet. There's a specific video on how to do this, and we also have FAQ resources available. Let me quickly add that information. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. See that plugins option on the left? Click it, then hit Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Blockonomics. There you go. WordPress Bitcoin Payments Blockonomics is the plugin we'll choose. Now, click Install. Once it's installed, click on Activate to activate the plugin. Now head back to the installed plugins, just like I did. Find the Blockonomics plugin and click Settings. Here's where you'll add your API key. Let's grab it from your Blockonomics dashboard in your Blockonomics account. Go to Stores, copy the API key, and paste it into the Blockonomics plugin settings on your WordPress. Then, click Continue. Once you've named your store, hit Continue. Click on Done. Another cool thing, Blockonomics automatically enables the Bitcoin payment option in your WooCommerce store. No extra steps needed. Easy, right? You can always double check if the setup is good to go. Just click on Test Setup. If you see BTC with a green checkmark, you're all set. Now head back to your Blockonomics dashboard. In the Stores section, just refresh and boom! Your store pops up with all the required settings automatically enabled. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to your WooCommerce site. On the dashboard, click on WooCommerce, then Settings. Next, go to the Payments tab and click on Blockonomics, just like I'm doing here. This will take you to the Blockonomics Payment Settings page. Now scroll down and enable the partial payment option, and then click Save Changes. Once that's done, head over to your checkout page. Here's an example of how it might look. I've added some information as an image here. You can either add it as text or create a simple image using Canva or another design tool. This makes it clear for users to follow the steps from checkout to payment completion. Once you've set that up, don't forget to save your changes. Let's do a test payment. I already have a product ready for checkout. Once I click Pay with Bitcoin, I'll land on the payment page. Here, I'll pay 50% of the amount as the first installment. To process the test payment, head to your Blockonomics dashboard. Click on Log or Test Bench. Select the store you created. Paste the BTC address and the 50% BTC amount. Set the payment status to confirm and hit Send Test Payment. And that's it. The test payment is done. Your customer will receive an email with the order details and a notification about the remaining payment. When they click Pay for this order, they'll return to the payment page to complete the balance. Once that's done, they'll receive another email confirming the payment. Your customers can easily find their order details in their account on your online store. As a business owner, you'll find all this information in the order notes, just head to your dashboard, click on WooCommerce, select orders, choose the specific order, and on the right, you'll see the order notes view with all the details. It's a straightforward process. Feel free to share your thoughts or comments on this video. Thank you.